C is cat, cats can purr. D is dog, dogs can run. E is elephant, elephants are big. F is fish, fish can swim. G is goat, goats can climb. H is horses can gallop. I is ice cream, ice cream is cold. J is jeep, jeeps can drive. K is kited, kites fly high. L is lion, lions are strong. M is monkey, monkeys can climb. N is nose, nose help with smell. O is orange, oranges are juicy. P is panda, pandas love bamboo. Q is queen, queens wear crowns. R is rabbit, rabbits can hop. S is sun, the sun shines bright. T is tiger, tigers are strong. U is umbrella, umbrellas keep books dry. V is van, vans can carry people. Wow is wild, whales live in the ocean. X is loud and tall and quick use it. Y is yak, yaks have long hair. Z is zebra, zebras have stripes. Hop. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and sing along with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Learning letters is easy, you see. Q, R, S, T, U, and V. Smiling as happy as can be. W, X, Y, and Z. Now we've learned our ABCs. Let's sing slowly one more time. Every letter in a rhyme. Now let's try a little fast. We'll have fun from first to last. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we know our ABCs. Learning every day with Zebras have stripes. Hop, 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 hop. A is for armchair, soft and wide. B is for bed where dreams can ride. C is for chair, pull it near. D is for desk, let's learn right here. E is in table, small and round. F is footstool, close to the ground. G is glass cabinet, sparkling bright. H is hanger stand, closed just right. I is iron rack, sturdy and strong. J is jewelry cabinet where jewels belong. K is kitchen cabinet, cups in a row. L is lamp table, giving a glow. M is mattress, cozy and deep. N is nightstand, decide where we sleep. O is ottoman, comfy to share. P is pantry cabinet, food with care. Q is quilt rack, quilts on display. R is recliner, rest every day. S is sofa, big enough for three. T is table for you and me. U is upholstered bench, soft to sit. V is vanity table, a perfect fit. W is wardrobe, close tucked away. X is X-leg stool, ready to stay. I is yarn, basket stand, yarn so bright. Z is Z-shaped shelf, what a fun sight. I to Z we've learned today, furniture helps us every day. A is apple, apples are hearty fruits. B is ball, balls can bounce. C is cat, cats can purr. D is dog, dogs can run. E is elephant, elephants are big. F touching the sky. C is for clouds floating so slow. D is for dawn that starts to go. E is for eagle up in the air. F is for feather flying everywhere. G is for glide through open blue. H is for helicopter view. I is for island far below. J is for jet ready to go. K is for kite dancing in the wind. L is for landing where flight begins. M is for moon shining at night. M is for night sky full of light. O is for orbit circling Earth. P is for pilot showing worth. Q is for quiet sky so wide. R is for rocket taking pride. S is for stars that sparkle bright. T is for thunder and stormy night. U is for up, we always fly. V is for vapors in the sky. W is for wind that helps us glide. X is for extra height we ride. Y is for yellow sun up above. Z is for zenith, the sky we love.